Most of us gentlemen out there are not fond of short sleeve shirt. The popular belief is they're not as versatile and stylish. Well gentlemen, in this video that is exactly what I'm going to prove wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 types of short sleeve shirt that you may consider adding to your wardrobe. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. Gentlemen, I agree. Short sleeve shirt are not as versatile or stylish compared to its fuller counterparts. And generally, you wouldn't really find people wearing short sleeve shirt, especially in an office setting. And honestly, they look little odd when you wear it formally. But gentlemen, when the same short sleeve shirt is worn with the right kind of items from your wardrobe and in the right kind of setting, well, honestly, they can actually make you look dapper. Gentlemen, the kind of nonchalance that a full sleeve shirt gives you can never be attained with a short sleeve shirt, period. But adding a few short sleeve shirt to your wardrobe will only give it a little different dimension. Guess what? Summer is the only and the best time to sport a short sleeve shirt. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 types of short sleeve shirt that you may consider adding to your wardrobe. Before we jump into what kind of short sleeve shirt you may consider buying, let's see what are the do's and don'ts. First of all is the fit. Fit is the king when it comes to short sleeve shirt and otherwise. The fit of the short sleeve shirt is little different compared to a full sleeve shirt. You have to consider the length of the shirt very particularly. You cannot go for something that is too long or too short. You have to go for something that can be tucked inside your jeans or your chinos and something that you can also wear casually tucked out. So gentlemen, make sure you nail the fit. The second thing that you must keep in mind is the fabric. The lifespan of a short sleeve shirt will be lesser compared to a full sleeve shirt. You are only going to wear it during summers. So gentlemen, make sure that you spend wisely. Do not spend a lot on a short sleeve shirt, but do not go really cheap as well. Go for something that is affordable and hence the fabric comes into the picture. Go for something that is 100% cotton or a blend of cotton and linen. If you go for 100% linen, the price would be higher. So go for something that has blend of linen and cotton, but try to avoid synthetic materials at all cost. It's summers, so sticking to natural fibers is only going to pay off. Gentlemen, the third thing that you must avoid with short sleeve shirts are checks. Short sleeve shirts are already little odd, so adding checks to it is only going to make matters worse. So trust me and go with my advice. Try and stick to solid colors, stripes, or maybe patterns, and that's about it. Checks, do not take risk with checks. If you still want to try checks on a short sleeve shirt, well, you can go ahead and try. Gentlemen, the first short sleeve shirt that I would recommend you and the most affordable short sleeve shirt in this list is this particular shirt by Nuon. Now this shirt is in this beautiful floral print of brown and off-white. Gentlemen, if you're going for a floral shirt rather than going for a multicolor floral shirt, you can go for something like this. If this fits your taste, you can go for something which has a 2-tone floral print. Now this particular shirt goes really well with jeans, with chinos, or even if I would want to wear this with a linen suit, I know I can pull this off really easily. Gentlemen, this particular shirt is by Nuon. It cost me somewhere around 1200 to 1300 rupees. This shirt would be more versatile compared to other floral shirts. Let's see how. Gentlemen, for this particular shirt, I'm going to pair this with this beautiful blue or rather navy blue linen blazer by a brand called Muji. As you can see, the contrast between the brown and the off-white and the blue sits really nicely against my skin tone. For my accessories, I'm wearing this really pretty pocket square in pistachio green. On my wrist here, gentlemen, I have the Casio. This is the vintage Casio. You wish you can go for any other watch for that matter, apart from any sports watch. And gentlemen,
my pants are going to be in cream color. Now, this particular cream picks up the cream, or rather the off-white of the shirt. So as you can see, this particular outfit is very much summer. This is very light on my skin, the shirt, the trousers, and to top it up with the linen blazer. To end this particular outfit, since this is dressy, this is great for any cocktail attire, this is great for dinners, even for lunches. So I'm going to dress it up a little. I'm going to throw on my tassel loafers in chocolate brown color. Let me know if this is your favorite outfit.
Gentlemen, the second short sleeve shirt that I would recommend is in stripes. Now, this particular shirt is by Mango. It costed me somewhere around 1300 to 1600 rupees depending from where you're buying. Why I would recommend you a vertical stripe shirt? Well, one reason is because it gives an illusion of length. Gentlemen, whenever you're going for stripes, make sure you go for vertical stripes because it gives you an illusion of length and it is flattering to most body shapes and sizes compared to horizontal stripes. Gentlemen, this particular shirt has a wavy feel to it and is little loose on my body. In my personal opinion, if you're going for something similar with stripes and which has the same flowy vibe, well, you can wear it either casually or you can throw on a blazer as well.
Gentlemen, as I mentioned earlier, that this is a flowy shirt. This is not something that is cut close to my body. As you can see, the stripes are quite vibrant, so I have kept my accessories really minimal and classy. This is a grey dial Seiko SNXS 79 with a steel bracelet. And gentlemen, the evergreen jeans, these are the 501s by Levi's. This is in a regular fit. If you wish, you can go with lighter denims or you can even try on white denims. I would ask you to stay away from black denims as it will give a higher amount of contrast. And gentlemen, feel free to experiment this kind of shirt with a pair of chinos as well. And on my feet, I have these lovely sand color suede sneakers. To let my socks do the talking, I'm wearing these orange socks which finds the color in the shirt as well.
Gentlemen, this is our third short sleeve shirt. This is the most expensive. This would cost you around 3,200 to 3,300 depending on where you're living. I bought this in Dubai for approximately 150 dirhams. Gentlemen, this is a lovely color, a lovely shade of bluish grey, I would say, and this also has a Cuban collar. This is our third short sleeve shirt and the most expensive one. Depending on where you're living, this would cost you around 3,200 rupees approximately. I bought this in Dubai for approximately 150 dirhams. Gentlemen, this has a lovely shade of bluish grey. Gentlemen, this has a lovely shade of bluish grey. This also comes with a Hawaiian collar. Now, why Hawaiian collar? Hawaiian collar screams summer and it flatters most of the body shapes and sizes. So gentlemen, go for something like this. This comes in linen blended with cotton and it's very comfortable, very breathable. Let's go ahead and check out how to incorporate this.
Gentlemen, this particular shirt, I am going to pair this with some shorts. Now, this particular shirt has a very summer feel to it. It is Hawaiian shirt after all with this lovely color of grayish blue. Now, for my accessories, I have kept it not that simple, I would say. I'm wearing this lovely chronograph with a beige dial. Now, gentlemen, if you wish, you can go for something that is even more striking, but I would like to keep it little classy for my taste. For my bottoms, I'm wearing these lovely pink color shorts. These shorts are by Chaps. If you want, you can go for either navy blue or even white shorts if you do not really like pink. And for my footwear, I have chosen these really nice espadrilles. Gentlemen, this is a kind of a look wherein you can go with boat shoes or you can go for espadrilles like these. These espadrilles are in suede. If you wish, you can go for something in jute or even in leather.